This is JND USB-C to XLR microphone audio cable. This is 6'6" braided cable that connects your dynamic microphone to devices like iPhone 15 series, MacBook, and more, offering crystal clear sound and professional grade durability. Let's go ahead and connect it and see what we got. First, we're gonna connect our XLR microphone. There we go. And the USB Type-C goes into the device. There you go. Next step, we're just going to go ahead and start recording. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, microphone test, JND USB-C to XLR microphone, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Super handy. Let's listen to the recording. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, microphone test, JND USB-C to XLR microphone, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Super handy. Super handy.